Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Randolph County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Muncie to near Dublin, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winchester, Union City, Parker City, Farmland, Lynn, Ridgeville, Saratoga, Lissettville, and Modoc.
So yeah, by the way, the tornado Andy and Andy both.
Now here is the official National Weather